My name is Jeff Cross. I'm the ISSA Media Director. We're coming to you from ISSA Show North America 2023 in Las Vegas. I'm here with Brian Mangum, who is the VP of Sales with Spartan.
Yeah, good morning, Jeff.
Good to meet you.
Thanks for being here.
It's great to be here at the show. A lot of people here. How do you feel?
Yeah, the show's been awesome. The booth's been packed. Yesterday was the first day on the show floor, Jeff, and this place was absolutely packed.
Well, how long have you been with Spartan, and how many shows would you say you've been to?
Yeah, so I've been with Spartan for 18 years, and I've been to 12 ISSA shows. Now that we're out of COVID, people are excited to be back together, collaborate, talk about their business, and figure out how we can mutually grow.
I've noticed that the high energy of that, the networking and the what's next and what the future looks like. How does Spartan fit into that for your customers?
Yeah, so people want to know what's new at Spartan Chemical. What does our R&D landscape look like? What's the future look like? And it's deep. We've got about a 10-year pipeline of R&D. And while we're not ready to disclose what we're doing in the near term, there's a lot of great things coming down the pipe. We're really excited.
I've seen releases of innovation over the years from Spartan, and I think whatever it is will be good, but you're not going to tell us now.
Nope.
Okay.
We're going to keep it secret.
Okay. Now, let's look at a couple innovations you're talking about here at the show. Why don't we go look at a couple, and then we'll discuss what they are and what they mean to Spartan and your customers.
Sure.
Okay. So we made our way over to one section of the booth. This is called the Profect HP.
Yeah, it's cleaning for health, and we're featuring our new latest and greatest disinfectant, hard surface disinfectant, that uses hydrogen peroxide as the active ingredient. As you know, Jeff, in our industry, typically you use a high pH or a low pH and a quaternary ammonium, and this product is totally different. It uses hydrogen peroxide as the active ingredient.
And who's using it? What's its main purpose in facilities?
Yeah, so anybody that's cleaning industrial facilities, this product works for them. You can use it in the showers, the restrooms, or in the hard surface, any hard surface such as this.
Okay.
It's also perfect for acute healthcare, where we've got infection prevention people that are really worried about quick kill times, right?
It says 1 minute.
Yes, 60 seconds, baby. Doesn't get any better.
All right.
30 seconds on COVID.
Hopefully we're somewhat past that, but it's still a concern, and people want to make sure they're safe.
Absolutely.
So great product.
Yeah, we're excited about it.
So now we made our way to the Foamy IQ product.
Yes.
I think you're proud of this one as well?
Yes.
Why is that?
This has been a huge hit for us, Jeff. It's a dispenserless hand hygiene system. So we look at customers that struggle to get replacement dispensers when they get broken. And oftentimes you go into a restroom and there's no dispenser, right? It got broken, some kid broke it, whatever, and they don't have an extra one to change it. With this system, you never have that problem. You got a bracket on the wall, they go to the custodial closet, they slap a new cartridge on. It's that easy.
Okay, so we have one to talk about. I've seen these everywhere.
Yeah.
In fact, I've seen this at the airport here in Vegas.
Yes.
And my wife wanted me to ask you a question. At the airport, they have a sign that says for hand and body.
Yes, so the formula is designed to be used in a shower if you want to.
Okay.
It's hygienic, and it's not going to dry your skin out, so it does work for both. But typically, we're going to place these in a restroom and use it for a hand wash. This particular product is a non-alcoholic hand sanitizer.
Everyone uses these. I use them all the time.
Yeah.
How do they work?
How do they work? So how it comes is a case of 4 in a box, okay? And you'll have a bracket mounted on the wall. Once that bracket's mounted on the wall, you pull this out of the box, simply slide it on,
Okay.
click, and then go ahead and push.
There you go.
It's
easy.
That easy. Yep.
You'll have clean hands in a second. There you go.
Yeah, we can shake our hands.
All right. And now we made our way to the upgraded Spartan Sales Pro app.
Yeah.
Now, we talked about products and how to keep clean, sanitized, disinfected, all the things that we want to think about. What is this about?
Yeah, Jeff, thanks for asking. So the Spartan Sales Pro app is a tool that we've developed to help our distributor partners be more successful as they conduct needs analysis with their end users. So you get a distributor sales rep that goes into an account, they begin to interview the customer, what's important to them, what do they need to do, and what products should they use. And the Spartan Sales Pro app helps walk them through that process and ultimately create a proposal for that end user, solving their problems.
Fantastic. Great products and the tools to deliver it to market all works well together.
Yeah, another tool to help our distributors be successful.
As we continue our tour of the Spartan booth, we're back in the laundry section. We did start here earlier. You might notice a similar background.
Yeah.
But, you know, I think of the cleaning profession and what people are doing. I'm thinking bathrooms, toilets, urinals, sinks, all the things that we use in facilities. But now, what about laundry? What is your play there?
Yeah, so industrial laundry has been a growth segment for us for the last decade.
Okay.
Very, very important to our infrastructure and where we want to go as a company. And so we've partnered with an equipment manufacturer that provides some best-in-class equipment that allows us to multiplex dosing across multiple machines. So essentially, this piece of equipment will feed 5 different industrial laundry machines. And it allows the customer to have a full dashboard, which you see rotating over here, of what's going on in their linen plant. It's really cutting edge. We're pretty excited.
Okay, so we're thinking about who's going to use this type of equipment. Large buildings, hospitals,
Yes.
hotels.
Yeah, so any industrial linen plant, if
Okay.
they've got 5 or more machines that are 150 pounds, this is a good fit for them. Or if they've got a tunnel washer. Now, of course, the most important thing is that the chemistry performs and that the linens get clean, and that's really our
That's important.
Yeah,
Everyone wants clean linen.
yeah. We want the linens to be bright and white, and we want to control infection that could linger if the linens aren't properly washed.
Okay. What if I turn this knob? No, just kidding.
Yeah.
This is a great part of your booth, Brian. I love it. Can you talk about your headquarters, innovation there as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the things that's very important to us is reinvesting in our physical property, our real estate.
Mm-hmm.
And this 10,000 square feet that you can see on this graphic represents our training center. We encourage all of our distributor partners to send their people back, and we teach them how to use their equipment that they sell and proper processes and procedures as it relates to cleaning. We've got every facility that you would run into in an industrial or institutional facility. So it's a great spot. We really take a lot of pride in it, and we enjoy teaching people how to be successful in the cleaning and hygiene industry.
I think it's fantastic. Not just products, but the training and real hands-on application as well. Do you get to play a little ball while you're learning or not?
Well, this post sets a mean pick, Jeff. So
Oh, man.
we don't have any basketball hoops in there just for that.
That will take you out.
It will take you out every time.
But it's been great for ISSA to visit the Spartan booth and talk to Brian about their products and the innovation. What a great partner you are. Thank you for your tour of your booth today.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time. Enjoyed it.